Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to create Valentine's Day e-cards and send it to anybody, and I want to show you a free option. And this option basically works for any e-card like birthdays or any special occasions. We're gonna jump into the App Store on our phone, and I looked up a bunch of different apps for e-cards and I tested all of them out here, and the one I really like the most is called Card Snacks. So that's what you're gonna look for, Card Snacks here. This is the icon for it, and go ahead and download and open this app. And you have a couple of different options here. Valentine's Day is the top option here, so you could just go ahead and slide through and see all these different options. You could also, on top where it says choose category, you could press create your own and create your own from scratch. I really like this option of using these templates here. So I'm gonna choose one from the Valentine's Day list here. And as you can see underneath that, there's a bunch of other ones like birthdays, I love yous, thank yous, and a whole bunch more. But let's go ahead and pick the second one here. And you have two different things that you have to personalize. You have your cover that you could personalize, and then you have the inside where you could personalize your message. So I'm gonna go ahead and personalize the message inside the card by tapping personalize card on the bottom of the page. And you have three different options here. You could type out your text, you could add an image or video, which is really good to do if you already have that in your phone, or you could record a voice greeting. So let me go ahead and just type out a message here, and you'll have to place your message somewhere in the page. So you could just drag it, put it somewhere in the page, and you could type out as much as you want here, and then you could still press the camera icon and add a photo. But what's really interesting is this gift option. Press that and you could basically attach all these different types of gift cards to your e-card. That makes it really unique with this app to actually send a gift with the e-card that you created. You could also add music if you wanted to from audio tracks or from your device here and send that as well. Once you're ready, you could go ahead and preview on the bottom. So here's your cover and here's the inside. And then you could just go ahead and press send. So here it says, who should we say the card is from? So we'll go ahead and type in your name here. So your name goes here. And then when should we send the card? You could say now, or you could schedule it for a later time. And if it's an invitation, in this case, it's not. So I'm gonna press continue. And here you could give it access to your contacts, so it would choose a phone number, or you could do the email option here and tap it to allow. Now on the iPhone here, you do have to give it access in the settings of your iPhone. So I'll have to give it access here, and then I'll jump back in. And just like that, I send it to myself as a test. So this is what it would look like here. And anybody that you send it to could just select that link in the text message they get, and then they could view the card just like that on this page. And it's that easy to create digital e-cards and send it to anybody on your contact via email or text message. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech and social media videos, and I'll catch you next time.